Hello everyone, and welcome to the next video in the C++ programming course. In this video we are going to be looking at another challenge with loops. Okay, so the challenge here is to create an application that asks the user for a number. And once this number has been given, you have to output the multiplication table of that number from 1 to 12. So for example, if the user inputs 3, you write the 3 times table from 1 to 12. Okay, so pause the video and have a go, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to get the number from the user. So we'll write int number, and we'll prompt for the number, enter number, and we'll read in the number. Okay, so the next thing we will do is we have to output the multiplication table using a loop, and for that we will use a for loop since it is a count based loop. Okay, and for this we will write for int I equals 1 and until I is less, and while I is less than 13, and we want it to go up in 1. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to times what we have counting, so I, by the number that we have received, and we will output that. So we can write cout, and we will put I will write times, I will put number equals I times number. Okay, so let's run this and see what is happening so far. Okay, so I'll write 3. Okay, and as you can see, it is coming in on one line. So what we will do is we'll just write, we'll put an end line here. Okay, so now if we run it again, write 3. Now as you can see, it is now working. Okay, so I hope you were able to keep up with that. Okay, so now we can do this another way. Okay, so again we will be using the for loop, and the starting number we will set to the number that was inputted by the user. So number, so int I equals number, and we want it to go up till the 12 times table, but obviously we can't put the 12 times what the value of I times 12 since it counts everything up till that value. Okay, so that means that if we just increment that number by 1, it will count that number times 12. Okay, so for that we can write number times 12 and then just put 1. Okay, and here we can put I equals number. Okay, so what is this saying? We'll just go over it again. So the starting number is the number that was inputted by the user, and it will increment and will keep counting until the value is greater than or equal to the number times 12 plus 1. So it will stop when it reaches number times 12, and for each iteration it will increment I by the number. Okay, and now simply what we will write here is cout, and we will write I and put an end line. Okay. Okay, so we'll just run that again. So save and run. Okay, so we'll write 5, and as you can see, it goes to 60. It starts at 5, which is correct. Okay, so I hope you were able to follow along, and just practice with the loops, both the for loop and the while loop, and I will see you in the next video.